Hello. Today we will be talking to you about the challenges of teaching and evaluating astronomy activities in Croatia. My name is Daniela Takac. I'm an IAC from Croatia and elementary school physics and technology teacher.
My name is Ana Maria Zazinovic. I work at a high school in Zagreb, teacher. I teach physics and astronomy.
Okay, so astronomy in the Croatian curriculum. In the elementary curriculum, there is no astronomy as a subject. So astronomy doesn't have its own curriculum, but it's integrated in a lot of different subjects. And also it can be taught as an extracurricular subject outside of the regular classes.
In high school, we can find astronomy topics in physics, chemistry, biology, and it can be part of school curriculum as an elective subject. If you have enough students, you have elective subject astronomy.
So we did a little small research study about the position of astronomy in Croatian schools. We had 50 high schools and 50% of elementary schools. Most of the teachers have more than 10 year of experience. Only 11% have less than 5 years. 50% of them have astronomy as an extracurricular subject, and only 27% of them have astronomy as an elective subjects where they grade students. And all of the others have them in a different kinds of way, like mentoring work, or just doing work for the competition, or doing it in their free time. What is interesting is that they have it one hour a week, 64% of them, and 35% of them teach 2 hours a week. And only 33% of teachers have it paid or in their regular salary, and all the others have it inside their work hours or outside of their hours in their free time. Students that go to astronomy, that attend astronomy classes, have a very, very big interest in all other areas of STEM, 72% of them, and a little smaller interest, 27% of them. And there is no student in astronomy that doesn't have interest in STEM. So most of them have interest in physics, 38% of them, and 16.7% of them in mathematics. All the other colors represent different subjects or cross-curricular subjects, all of the subjects of STEM areas. But what we found most interesting when we asked, what do students choose when they finish elementary school? 100% of students choose STEM high schools, but after they finish the STEM high school, 60% of the students that attend astronomy choose to go to computer engineering universities. Only 26% go to physics universities, and 13% go to maths. So it's kind of different than astronomy. But in Croatia, we don't have an astronomy in any university, not even a course inside physics. So how can we evaluate astronomy in middle school or elementary school? Only through different kind of project-based learning in 5th grade or in 6th grade, where they do a little more projects in astronomy, which also we use to prepare them for the national competition. So they can do project-based learnings in physics because they have physics only in 7th and 8th grade. So then we do a little more complex subjects like atmospheric extinction or building a magnetometer. Also, we do a lot of different project-based learnings like space materials, meteorology, Mars rover. So we did a big project about ExoMars. We simulated the ExoMars mission. Also, we do project-based approach in PE. So they can do like training like an astronaut or something similar. The biggest thing that we have seen through our research is that there is a big gap between middle school and high school knowledge in math skills, physical content for schools like scientific method or ICT, knowledge of ICT programs. What we found that, of course, what Anna found, because she works in high school, is that students that had astronomy in elementary school came to high school with much better math skills. They knew the scientific method through all the things they have done in astronomy, and they helped to bridge this gap in knowledge that is always there because of the very different curriculum in elementary and high school, which is not which is the ministry problem. So
in high school, students independently research astronomical terms, present selective topics, solve problems in astrophysics, observe astronomical phenomena, visit to observatories, exhibitions, and workshops. Those are some examples of project topics in high school, and astronomy in high school is interdisciplinary learning. They work some themes like astrophysics, astrophotography, field teaching, spectroscopy, and photometry. They visit observatories, exhibition, and workshop, and so.
Yeah, Anna and I do a lot of things to popularize for the popularization of astronomy in Croatia. So we organize a lot of webinars where we host teachers who do a lot of things, or well-known scientists. We do stargazing parties. We do a lot of things with the little ones because they are the future of astronomy and they should know the astronomy from a very young age. The problem is evaluating. So most of the teachers use astronomy national competition for evaluations of students, because at the astronomy competitions, they have to have a test, but they also have to present a topic, a poster of the research they did. So as you can see, 100% of teachers prepare them for astronomy, and it's mostly 1 to 2 up to 4 hours. The school national competition has 3 levels: school competition, regional competition, and national competition. So the students have to go through all these 3 levels in order to present their research paper and get it graded. So they always have a test, like knowledge test, and then we evaluate their research in this rubric. So we look at the overall research work, we look at the purpose of the research they made, description of methodology, presentation of the research results, discussion, sources they use, and how much effort did they invest. Usually there are 2 reviewers of each research. Students do it like a real scientific research. So these are some of the examples that they did for national competition in high school. They are really high level, and students have to defend them in front of the jury that is usually from 3 people, 2 scientists and 1 teacher, or 2 teachers and 1 scientist. Here you can see some other examples. And what we have concluded in our research is that everybody would love to teach astronomy, but there are many problems with it. Like the curriculum is very hard. Teachers are not evaluated enough. They are not paid enough, and you need a lot of organization, and you need a lot of support to teach astronomy, because it's a very hard subject to teach, especially if you want to go to national competitions. So we hope to change this very soon in our country by popularization of astronomy and doing a lot of teacher trainings for the younger teachers. So we hope that we fit this in 10 minutes. So thank you for your attention, and hello from Croatia.